Alrighty, so we've got a Wiser lock here, knob lock. This lock is very easy to distinguish. Number one, it's going to lock by the inside, pushing in. The entire knob pushes in and rotates. There's not going to be any detent anywhere around the knob. It would normally be in here. You insert the key, knob comes off. Very easy to distinguish these. Once you see that, you're also going to notice it's going to have a Wiser key. I'm rekeying it to this key. This key does not work. So if you have a working key, this would go in, it would rotate. You pull the spindle out, it allows it to rotate more, and then the entire face comes out. For this one, we're going to have to pick, because we do not have a current working key. So I'm just going to go like so. We've already sprayed a little lubricant in there. And we'll just start off with a bump. Shouldn't be a very difficult pick. We shall see. As soon as you say that, you pretty much doom yourself to it. Okay, so there. It's turned over. Okay, I'm going to pull the tail piece out. Did it pick or not? Crap. Uh-oh, what happened? I felt it turn. Did I not get it out in time? It's really hard to tell where we're at, so I'm going to do that. I felt it turn over. At least I thought it did. You have to go back the other way here. Let's see. Go back the other way. Eight. Which one's left? It flew open the first time. Whole thing feels picked to me. The line's pretty far over. Shouldn't be any. There. Okay, so I picked and turned that over. So it was completely picked. Alright, now somehow the whole front end of this comes out when it's in the right spot. Come on. Come on. The heck? There. Aha. Okay, you can see all this stuff is plastic, So, pretty crappy setup. Anyways, alright, get that. Snapping pliers.